flow along, slowly turning heartless. Got no other place to go. Will you hold me tight, gently into the good night? Will you be a light, shining through my starless sky? Will you hold me tight, gently into the good night? Will you be a light, shining through my starless sky? All this anxiety is slowly killing me, suffocating, I can't breathe. Will you hold me tight, gently into the good night? Will you be a light, shining through my starless sky? Will you hold me tight, gently into the good night? Will you be a light, shining through my starless sky? City lights, wasted nights, driving down the 101 into the wild. 6 a.m., never tired. We just keep on going until we die. Take my hand and baby we can run, baby we can run till tomorrow comes. Love me slowly, yeah, 'cause we're still young. Baby we can run till tomorrow comes. Love me slowly, yeah, 'cause we're still young. Baby we can run till tomorrow comes. Faded dreams, get no sleep, dancing with the wind till we lose our feet. Don't let go, take control, play our favorite songs on the radio. Feeling so alive, like shooting stars flying through the sky. Just you and I, we're gonna set the world on fire. So take my hand and baby we can run, baby we can run till tomorrow comes. Love me slowly, yeah, 'cause we're still young. Baby we can run till tomorrow comes.
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, April 4th. Good morning. Give me some fours. How about that for the date? Fours in the chat if you can hear me all right. Excellent. 444. Excellent. What's up, Pittsburgh? Who's that? Jazzy J, I'm assuming. What's up, Carl? Anita, George, Jimmy P, Christine. Got people in the waiting room. Give me something on YouTube. Let me know we're good to go there as well. If you're watching. Alrighty. Once again. What's up, Bryant? We are we have tanked overnight. I mean, I don't know where else we can go. I don't know how much lower we can go here. I don't have anything else to mark up. I don't have enough data. Literally. We've literally run through there's literally no more data to touch here. And if I go to MNQ1, it's not the same picture. So that's the state that we're in right now. What's up, Paul? What's up, Blue? What's up, Steph? That's the state we're in right now. We ran down here and tapped the monthly low that I had marked up, and that was from April of last year. So last year's low from this month got tapped, and an immediate response from it. So I was expecting more from our 8:30 news. We had news at 8:30. It didn't really do too much. We do have Powell speaking at 11:25. We'll be done before then. But yeah, this we've taken everything out here. We're in a stalemate at the moment. The 1 minute is in alignment for buys. The 3 and the 5 are in alignment for sales. The 3's holding on to some volume here. Trend, in order for it to flip, has to get close above 300, 307 area to be exact. The 5 minute still has quite a bit of volume, a lot. It was down here in the 230s. Now it's lost about half of it. So we'll see how we open up, which we just did. We just opened. We're opening now. This is our opening bell candle. Got people in the waiting room. Sorry. There we go. All right, so we'll see what happens here. We'll see what we do. See what we do. 17,745 is the next MNQ low from August 8th, 2024. How do you see that? August 8th? That doesn't make much sense, bro. We're at the low of April, so August 8th of 2024 would have been above it. August 8th of 2024. You got that year right, because this is from April. Maybe. Okay. But yeah, how are you seeing that? How are you seeing that? MNQ low, August 8th, 2024. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense, but the numbers aren't going to be they're not going to be the same. I do see what you're talking about here, but the reason why it's possible that can be the case, but so this is the monthly of MNQ1, and this is the monthly of let's take this off and this off. This is the monthly of MNQM, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a subtle difference in the price action. It's a subtle difference in the price delivery. For example, we're below right now the low of August 1st of 2024, and you just told me that August 8th of 2024 is the low. So that doesn't make sense. So this is MNQM, and we're currently below the low of August. The lowest point that I have is April, and the low of August is, obviously the numbers aren't going to be the same because we know that they changed that, but even the structure should be. So that low point of August on MNQM is different. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to use those numbers or not. I mean, I guess it is a reference point, but the numbers aren't going to be the same. Maybe looking at I don't know. We're currently below the low of August based on the MNQM chart. So yeah. What I do know is our current low of the day can be a target. I will mark that number though, 17745. You said it doesn't make sense that it's the monthly low though. 17745, 745, 745. All right, 1 minute. Looks like it's going back into a stalemate. We have to get below 983 though. We had to close below 982, 983 level for it to be a complete flip back over with the trend level. We are bearish right now on the 1 minute, trying to roll over here. Seems had a trend line, had an uptrend there after that pop off of that low, that monthly low. What's up, Amy? Yeah, we're trying to get back bearish here. All right, what time is it? It's 9:36. First 3 minutes was a bear. Actually, first 3 minutes was a wake up, and 9:33 was a bearish engulfing. And as of right now, we still got 220 left in this candle, but it looks like it's trying to continue. Well, All right. Let's see. 46 seconds left in this candle.
Thought that you were worth saving. I had my head above the clouds when we met. I knew one day you would hate me. Now my heart is cold and filled with regret. You thought that you would use me, but life is so confusing. When I felt you didn't even try to pick me up. You thought I wouldn't leave. How could you be so naive? You chased your heart, ignored the signs painted up.
Yeah, I'll talk about top one trader in a little bit. Thanks for reminding me. Right now, I'm just holding back the desire to rebel. Nice close and retest off 100. Pushing us down towards our, towards our spot where we got a flip here. TP50, Ken. Ooh, TP75. Nice. TP75. Where'd you get in at? Oh, oh. Yeah, no, where'd you get in? I don't know where you got in at. J4 maybe? Oh, 150. Am I talking low? Sorry, is my volume sound down? You don't have, if you send me a direct message now, everybody does still see it, so you don't have to direct message me. Is that better? Yeah. That's what I was holding myself back from doing. I've been good. I'm okay with it. I like the reasoning though. I do like that the volume matches and it's just not the trend. It was a good reason. Good rebel reason. All the rebels are speaking up now. Blue got in there too. No surprise by the 3 that did it, because they put in the chart work. You guys should see Blue's charts. Next time he sends me a chart, I'm gonna forward it to you. I can't focus when he sends me charts. Oh no. My top step is froze as well. I guess that's the end of that. Oh wait, we're back. Paula, I'm proud of you. It sucks that the times you decide to be a good girl, like, they would have all worked in your favor. So just keep it up, because we're running out of rebels. I think we're running out of rebels. Start going against them. I don't know if that was a pause because we were close or what, but mine did freeze as well. It is back online. Top Step X is back online. We are, first 15 minutes is about to be done here. We're close to a flip on the 1. No 10 o'clock news. Yeah, no 10 o'clock news. Next up is just we'll be done by then, pal. I don't really have a game plan for next week yet. Monday we don't have any news whatsoever until 3. I might just take Monday off completely, and then Tuesday we might do a session and see about volume. See about our alignment, and we'll maybe just do a market review on Tuesday. Wednesday we're not going to trade at all. Well, I'm not going to trade at all. We have FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock. Thursday, Friday would be normal days. All right, we're getting a response back to the upside here on this 9:45 3-minute candle. For you it is. I'm just messing with you. No, Rebel is still a bad thing. It's especially if you don't have a reason and you're just taking things for, like, I don't know, man. It's hard to say because I understand those that rebel and speak up on rebelling. I understand the reason behind it. Like, if you can build a case for why you did it, then okay, and just be, accepting of the result. Like, Blue said he got in because of the J4. Steph says she got in because of the volume we had on the 1. We just didn't have the trend, so we had 5 out of 6 things that we look for. volume being super heavy on the 5, you know, things like this. Gotta have a reason with the plan. Ken got in because of all the wick tops. I mean, this 930 candle had hella sellers in it too. I mean, just looking at that wick. So even the 175 or just the J4 that blue took would have been nice. Bearish engulfing candle coming out of here right after that wick into this imbalance. You know, I mean, yeah, I mean, that was a huge smackdown of a wick, literally. So clearly the sellers are engaged right there. You know, somebody could say that build a case around getting in right here at 150 because the J4 is right there, the HDL is right there, order block right there, you know, the retest, yeah, double tap of this imbalance, wicking above it. I mean, you're at break even right now. As long as you're not buying, I mean, you're good to go. As long as you're not trying to buy. That's rebel for real. Like that's ridiculous. I mean, it feels like the last couple of weeks, all we had to do was just come on here and press sell, and we would have been good. There's another 50 right there. Especially because this one never retested. It actually closed below 150, never retested. So that's another reason. That's what you meant by retest, huh? Blue. That was another reason. So that was 3 reasons for that 150. There was the J4. There was the retest of 150 when it closed below, never retested. It's using 100 as support now. I mean, you want another reason? I can give you all type of reasons. There's a reason right there for 200. That doesn't mean I'm taking them, but I'm being good. Personally, I'll let y'all get all this. There you go. Well, depends on how you put that up there. Oops. Because the wick's technically right there. You do it like that. And I think we're playing around 50% of this retracement from the open. Or 618 actually. I mean, build a case. Case is built. In the bottom of the hour. I just can't keep the trend lines on there long enough to really see the taps because it. I get annoyed by so much mess on my chart. Here comes 200. Monthly low we took out. Wakefield. Imbalance touch. What's a swing trader? I don't know. Nice rejection up off there. It didn't quite get to 200, but tapped into that imbalance nicely. Mm. 2 minutes left in this 3 minute. Gotta watch out for this area. Yeah, this thing looks like it wants to go down here and freeze everybody out. What'd you guys say that number was? Was it 941? Or was it 741? Must have been 941. 941 seems too close. 741. Oh. Hello. Hello, 957. Random candle. Where are you going now? Where are you going now after doing something like that? Where are you going now after doing something like that? Looks like Top Step's frozen again.
flee for any turn.
Is it froze for you guys too?
Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally.
Trading view is moving for me.
Me high, keeps me high.
The Discord's going crazy. All right, just came back. Top Step just came back on. I mean, ain't no trade to take anyway. I know some of you guys are putting some things out there, but all right, top 1 futures. Anybody check that out yet? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I put in a message yesterday about this top 1 futures prop firm that you can actually go instant sim funded. Instead of the challenge phase. Sorry, I just want to do something on here real quick. Yeah, so basically you skip the challenge phase. Give me 1 second, hold on. I just need to look at, I think we have a long way to go. Oh, we don't have a long way to go for the 3 to flip. And the 5 minute still probably has a lot of volume left. It's fading slowly. Oh yeah, that's got to get up there another 200 points, y'all. Okay, so I've heard about this broker or this prop firm before when they didn't have futures. Like I mentioned, I actually met the owner. This was before he actually had this prop firm. Maybe it was in the works, but we didn't talk about it. We were talking about maybe a partnership with him and his business partner for Trade Style with Miss J. And so when this came across my Instagram, kind of caught my eye because he was speaking. I saw him speaking about it, and I was like, "Oh, that's interesting." So I looked at it, and a couple of things drew me to it. One is they have 50% off right now. That's cool. The instant sim funded. Now, I was having a conversation with Jimmy yesterday. He brought up a point. He was asking me, like, shouldn't people, be able to do the challenge? And I don't remember exactly what he said, but should people just go straight to fund it if they haven't really gone through the ringer of the challenge? And everybody's going to be different. There's going to be different type of individuals. I believe, and I've had conversations with a number of you that have struggled with the challenge. I believe that sometimes the burden of a challenge mentally puts pressure on you. Mentally can make you feel like you have to take a trade because you're trying to get this done. You force things. You try to get things back because you feel behind because you're trying to complete a challenge. And I think I felt that going through challenges in the beginning. And so I know you guys feel it as well. And it just makes you move a little differently if you don't really have the discipline. Now, does that mean that does that just go all the way because you have an account? No, it doesn't. But you may have a different mindset behind it because you know that this is yours. And another point to that is that sometimes with a challenge, you do all of this work and you really don't get nothing for it right away. Like you go to do 6% on a $50,000 account, so you go make $3,000, and you're not really rewarded at that moment. Like you have to then pay a fee to then get your actual account, and then repeat that process again to then, you know, get yourself towards the payout. So it alleviates that type of stuff when you just have a straight to funded option, if it's something that you want to take a look at. There are a couple companies that I've seen before that Perdia was one, and I told Jazzy J about this one a couple days ago. I haven't used them, but that's the only one that I was looking into was Perdia at a time, just to add an option to the mix. But this one jumped to the top of my list because I've met the owners before, and again, we weren't having a conversation about their prop firm. We're talking about something completely different. But two, I like that they use TopStep X, and that led me down a rabbit hole I did not know. I thought TopStep X created TopStep X. They didn't. As a company, and I don't know if they may own this company, I'm not sure, but there's a company that they white labeled the X platform from. It's called Project X. So Top One Futures has this same platform that you use with TopStep X. It's called I don't know what they call it, but TopStep X is white labeled through Project X. So I thought that was pretty interesting, and it just brings, you know, some familiarity with already having. This is the owner right here. These two guys, I met both of them. Both of these guys are the owners. So that was cool to see. And just to jump into some of the details, so they also have a challenge phase too. But the instant funded option, there's no rules. You can choose between a daily drawdown or no daily drawdown. There's like an add-on fee. But their actual drawdown mode is just like TopStep. It's end of day. So it's not like Apex where it's intraday. All right. You can do news trading, sim profit split. You get to keep up to 20,000, which is similar to Apex. With TopStep, you get to keep the first 10,000 before you do a profit split. So they say you can keep the first 20,000, and then it's a 90-10 split. I guess they have a trading course, because both of these gentlemen are actual educators in the space for over a decade. They go take you to live after 3 payouts. I think they're fast. Their payouts are like on averaging an hour and a half. Like once it's processed, less than 4 hours on average of payout processing time they put here. Support. I was looking for what you just mentioned, because they do have a 30%. Did I just skip over it? They have a 20% consistency rule. I don't remember where I saw it, but yeah, you're right. They do. Yeah, the total drawdown is 4%, and that's actually across the board. I'll go into the frequently asked questions. No, it's 20% for their. Oh, here it is right here. Oh yeah, you're right. 25% consistency on funded. For some reason I saw 20% somewhere, but this just means that in order to take a withdrawal, your largest day can't be more than 20%, 25% of your profits. So if you have, let's say you make $2,500 your first day, then that just means that your account balance before you're able to take a withdrawal would need to be $10,000. Oh, my bad. I was reading the wrong one. Thank you. I knew I saw 20%. I was reading the wrong ones. Sorry. So here we go. Instant sim funding. I was reading the One Step Elite Challenge. Instant sim funding. This is these are the 50% off prices. If you use that code HDC, it will give you these prices as well. So here's what I should have been reading. All of your their daily loss limit, if you choose to have it, like if you don't do an add-on, which is fine, you don't really need to add on a daily loss limit, like $1,250 on a $50,000 account. Like, you should not be doing that. It's insane when you're risking $250. But your max drawdown, just like TopStep, is $2,000. The one thing I like about the larger accounts is they give you more room on the larger accounts. Most, like, this is still 4%. This is just under 4%. It's like 3.5, I think, maybe 3.75. Like, a lot of firms, they'll squeeze you on your trailing max drawdown, kind of forcing you into taking the smaller account. Here is still a good number, 4%. Here is still a good number. I think it's like 3.5%. End of day across the board. These are your max. 14 days or anytime. So anytime meaning that we still got some ways. We still got some ways there. I'm watching it, but thank you. Anytime, that's an add-on. So if you want to do it like at any time, there's like I don't remember what it costs, so we can look at it. Or you'll be looking at every 14 days for a payout. And this is 14 calendar days, not 14 business days. So 14 calendar days. Here's the 20% I was talking about. So 20%, basically, if you make $2,000, that means that you need to have at least $10,000 in your account in order to withdraw. You can have 3 max accounts. So like Top Step has 5. This company is allowed with 3. And after your 3rd payout, they push you up to live. Oh, I didn't realize this. I don't know what this is. Oh, your monthly annual profit. So if you're looking at how much you want to earn per month. Is this 4%? I thought this was less than 4%. Yeah, you're right. So yeah, it's 4% across the board, which is nice. Yeah, 4% across the board. So this is the daily loss limit. There's an add-on to take that off, but I don't think that's necessary. And then this is just the trailing max drawdown total, like your max loss limit, which is, like Ken just said, it's 4% across the board, which is nice. So instant sim funded. Let's say that you did that one. There was something in here I wanted to show you. Maybe. Oh, let's go to the frequently asked questions. All right, 1 minute is getting closer now. And Top Step is not frozen anymore, so let's see what we can do here. I'm just looking at the chat, see if I missed any questions. Yeah, it's going to be more. I mean, you're not paying for, you know, it's more, right? It's more expensive, but at least you're rewarded along the way. So max number of accounts you can trade is 3. We talked about that. You can mix the different account sizes. All of it's right there on the Top Step X, or I don't know what they call it, but let's just say Top One Futures X platform. You can. They don't allow you to merge accounts. 3 account limit. They have a dashboard just like Top Step X does. Yeah, with the 50% off, it's obviously less. No, it's not a monthly. No, it's one time. It's monthly with the challenges. With the 1-step challenge, but this is just a one-time payment, and there's no activation fee once because you've already passed. So there's no activation fee. Instant sim funding. Let's go in here. So here's the consistency rule explained. 20% off your total profits during the evaluation phase or sim funded account stage. So here's the example I gave. If your total profit is $10,000, then no single trading day should account for more than $2,000. All right, let's get back into here real quick. Let's check the 3 minutes, see how much time we got left in this candle. All right, 2:15 left in this candle. 10 seconds left in this 1 minute stick. Doesn't like it's gonna flip before us now. Maybe. Maybe. Not yet. Still got 2 minutes left in this in this 3-minute candle anyway. Come on. What's up, Lars? Just saw your comment. Still holding us up here. 1 minute left in the 3 and 1 minute left in the 1 here, trying to get this thing to flip. If this does flip, we'll be looking at a sale off of 18,000. If it doesn't flip, we'll be waiting for it to flip. Do it, do it, do it, do it. No? We'll keep monitoring that. Cheaper at the moment, top step 350K is like 600, 150 at the moment. I see where you're going with that. Yeah, you're right. That's true. Nice break on the 5. We technically did not close below 18,000, but we are below it right now. Looks like we are going to get this to flip. Still got 12 seconds. All right, we officially did flip here. We might have missed 18,000 though. Off the 1 minute, it touched it a couple times there. So we'll see if what we can get here. We're got 1 minute and 50 seconds left. In this particular candle, this will close us below 18,000. May close below 1950. So rejecting off of 1950 pretty strong right now. I don't have anything set yet because I want to see this 3-minute candle close below 18,000. Once it does, then I'll set a sell limit for 18,000. Minute 15. All right. Oh, you're going up. If it doesn't close below 18,000 and 1850 is the number, we are in alignment. Oh, what you doing there? What you doing? Oh, come on. All right, it did close below. I'm gonna take it here. Oh, dang it. I tried to get a good entry and it just lapped down on me. I'm in a very bad entry. Hopefully you guys got 1807. I saw 1807. I tried to grab it. I'm in at 96. But I'm in at 96. We're moving. I'm going to go break even at I'm going to go break even at oh, well, I went break even on 25. It might come back and take me out just because my entry was so shitty. If you caught it, you should be break even now. Yeah, I am about to get taken out. I'm out. I may enter this again. Try to get 18,000 though. I'm gonna enter this again. Just get 18,000. I'm in again. That was a better entry. 1802. All right. Damn it. I'm still in because I got a better entry. Don't go to 27. Oh, all right, I'm out. All right, 50. See if we can get to 50. I'll take 50. Yeah, I like 52. I can cooperate. Oh, all right, I'm in. Oh, got a really good entry on this one too. 56. All right, we need to violate this bearish engulfing candle. We did just tap into this imbalance here. Come on. Oh wow, come on now. I was just about to say I'm gonna go break even because my entry's at 56, but leave it alone for a second. This thing's getting a little wicky. I'm gonna leave it alone for a second. Make sure we get below 25. I'm okay with the risk. There we go. Come on, push through it. I'm break even now. I'm break even now. There's 25 points. There we go. Come on, keep pushing through. There we go. I'm gonna lock in 10 points here. I'm locking in a 10 here. Lock it in 25. Don't you get through there. There we go. All right. TP. TP. All right. 25 on the day. I'll take it. I don't want to play with trail in this thing. Oh, I can't now because I'm out of the trade, but TP. This is the 1 minute chart, so it hasn't closed. Oh, it did close. It did close below 18,000. And break even already. I didn't take this. All right. Any questions from this? I mean, you guys can check out these FAQs. Obviously, if you're deep in challenges already, and obviously, or even you're on live accounts on Top Step, this is irrelevant to you. Just keep it as an open option, maybe. I do like the company. I do like the plan. Obviously, right now the pricing. I don't know what that one was for. Oh, got to delete that alert. Obviously, the pricing is better than it will be because it's 50% off. No idea if they plan on keeping that. The owners are Clay Hodges, and I'm blanking on the other guy's name. Let me go to their normal website. They have their whole team on their other website. It's not Top One Futures though. Top One Trader. These guys, Clay Hodges and Matt Morris. Both of these guys who Miss J introduced me to when we were doing trade style. So big time guys in the trading industry. And I think at the time they were working on their normal prop firm. I don't really remember. I'm not really completely sure. I know he was a big educational guy, had a huge group, mentored a lot of people. And Matt Morris, same, made a lot of money in real estate. I've never met or talked to any of these guys, but I guess I'm assuming that Clay and Todd are related. Same last name. Kind of look alike too. But yeah, that's on their normal page. It's not on their futures page, the stuff on them. But yeah, 50% off, I believe, is all of April, like you guys are saying. Any other questions on this before we sign off of here for the weekend? I'm just gonna go ahead and say no to Monday. No session at all on Monday. More than likely, I'll check the charts and maybe we'll do a trade chat in the Telegram. But we'll start our week on Tuesday together, and we'll have a session regardless, whether that's to trade or to just do a market review. No, these guys aren't, to my knowledge, are not affiliated with Anthony and Q. And plus, Anthony and Q have their own. They still have a top tier. I know Anthony just created some sort of chart AI thingy or whatever. I don't know. Something that's supposed to be predicting in the next, using AI to predict the next move in the market. I don't know. Predicts next day candle. I mean, you got a 50-50 chance of being right. So, I mean, I don't really know what the what the big deal about it is. Like, I could predict the next day candle. I'm going to say on Sunday it's going to be bearish. You got a 50-50 chance of being right, guys. It's either gonna be bullish or bearish. I don't think you really need AI to predict that for you. Hopefully it does more than that. 18,000 would have hit TP as well. Yeah. Predictions are very subjective. All right, good move out of 050. Would have hit 75 too. 18,000 would have hit 50 points and maybe even running a 75 as well. I know the market was all over the place, but decent week, positive week. Some of you guys even more positive with your rebels. Lower right now. That's how it balances out. Yes, it does. TV 75. Good job, Sharif. Sharif, you've been killing it. You're killing it. What's up, Tabitha? All right, family. There's nothing else. No other questions. I will leave you guys to it. 80 for the week. Good stuff, Blue. Yeah, throw your totals for the week in the Telegram channel. I will see you guys not Monday, but definitely Tuesday. Have a great long weekend. Enjoy that nap, Amy. Enjoy your weekends. Leave a like on the YouTube on the way out, family. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Peace out for now.
I am with you where